Imagine a planet that rolls on its side, with seasons stretching decades, a magnetic field scribbled like a child's drawing, and winds tearing through a sky that smells like rotten eggs. Welcome to the bizarre, icy world of Uranus. Join me to explore the most intriguing secrets of the outer reaches of our solar system, where Uranus, the pale blue ice giant, spins in quiet rebellion against the norm. Picture a world tilted so wildly it defies logic, cloaked in a serene cyan glow that hides a chaotic heart. In this video, we'll dive into its howling winds, wonky magnetic field, and moons that might cradle hidden oceans. We'll follow humanity's fleeting glimpse through Voyager's daring visit, and dream of new missions to this frozen enigma. Get ready to be swept away by Uranus, a planet of icy storms, cosmic quirks, and mysteries that spark wonder about our place in the universe. Picture Uranus, a pale blue orb glowing like a frozen sea drifting in the icy fringes of our solar system, so far from the Sun that a single orbit takes 84 long Earth years. It's a cosmic beach ball, 4 times wider than our planet, yet so light it feels like a giant snowball laced with gas, floating in the void. This is no rocky world like Earth or fiery gas giant like Jupiter. Uranus is an ice giant, its heart a blend of rock, wrapped in a thick slush of water, ammonia, and methane ices, all swirling beneath a gassy veil. Long ago, in the solar system's wild youth, something catastrophic happened. A rogue world, perhaps twice Earth's size, may have slammed into young Uranus, knocking it nearly onto its side in a cosmic brawl that scattered debris, birthing its moons and rings. Now Uranus spins, like a top tipped over, rolling through space with its poles taking turns facing the Sun. Each pole endures 42-year summers of endless light or winters of eternal night, crafting seasons that last lifetimes, unlike Earth's gentle monthly shifts. This wild tilt twists everything. Its atmosphere churns with slow, massive storms, its rings tilt like a crooked crown, and its moons wobble in strange orbits. The planet's methane gas, soaking up red light, paints it a dreamy cyan, like a pearl adrift in the cosmos, a hue that ancient stargazers from China to Mesoamerica mistook for a wandering star in their night skies. In 1781, William Herschel, squinting through a candlelit telescope he built himself, spotted this faint dot, forever stretching our cosmic map. He wanted to name it George's Star for a Sau, British king, but a clash of egos across Europe settled on Uranus, the Greek sky god, a nod to its ethereal glow. That glow hides a restless world, not just a pretty face. Uranus wears 13 faint rings, ghostly threads woven from the shattered remains of ancient moons, so subtle they were missed until 1977, when astronomers noticed a star's light dim as the rings passed by. Tiny moons like cosmic shepherds keep these dusty hoops in delicate balance, a quiet echo of the violent collisions that shaped this system. Uranus, though far and faint, plays a subtle but mighty role in our solar system. Its gentle gravity nudges comets and icy rocks in the distant Kuiper belt, helping sculpt the cosmic architecture we see today. Billions of years ago, it may have wandered closer to the Sun, jostled by the gravitational tug-of-war, with giants like Jupiter and Saturn, a journey that left clues in its icy heart. Studying Uranus is like opening a time capsule from the solar system's birth, revealing how planets form and migrate. Its icy, methane-rich makeup mirrors countless exoplanets, distant worlds glowing with the same blue shimmer, spotted by telescopes like Kepler, helping us decode the galaxy's planet-building secrets. From ancient myths to modern science, Uranus stands as a tilted testament to the universe's wild creativity, urging us to wonder what other oddballs spin in the stars. Close your eyes and imagine floating in the sky of Uranus, bundled against a cold so fierce down to -224 degrees Celsius. It could turn your breath to frost in a heartbeat. This is the chilliest planet in our solar system, a freezer of cosmic proportions. The sky glows with a cyan haze like a distant lagoon, lit by methane gas that drinks in red light and scatters blues and greens in a dreamy shimmer. But hold your nose. This air carries a foul whiff of hydrogen sulfide, a cosmic prank that smells like a planet-sized stink bomb, setting Uranus apart from the cleaner skies of Jupiter or Saturn. Winds roar through this icy realm, screaming at nearly 1,000 kilometers an hour, fast enough to chase a rocket, like 1,000 tempests rolled into one. Beneath this serene blue veil, chaos brews. Telescopes like Hubble, peering in 2018, caught whirlwinds as big as continents, swirling for years, painting the sky with stormy chaos. In 2023, radio telescopes unveiled a monstrous vortex over the North Pole, a fiery pinwheel of a cyclone. Hot and dry, spinning unlike any hurricane Earth could dream, more like the wild tempests of Saturn. These storms, born from Uranus's bizarre 42-year seasons, flare as each pole flips from blazing sunlight to pitch-black night, stirring winds and clouds in a dance that unfolds over decades, like a hurricane in slow motion. The atmosphere isn't just one layer. It's a misty upper veil where auroras flicker, a stormy cloud deck where methane swirls, and a deep slushy sea where strange potions brew under crushing pressure like an alien alchemist's cauldron. The upper sky, called the thermosphere, is growing colder still, a cosmic chill as if the sun's breath grows faint, possibly tied to fading solar winds that carry energy from our star. Scientists think Uranus's sluggish climate, less lively than Neptune's, comes from a faint inner warmth, perhaps dimmed by that ancient crash that tipped the planet sideways. Yet its storms and winds defy this icy calm, hinting at mysteries we're only beginning to unravel. Picture yourself in this alien sky, watching storms bigger than Earth unfold in slow, majestic swirls, their blue-green hues shifting with the planet's endless seasons. Studying Uranus's atmosphere is like peering into a crystal ball. It mirrors alien worlds with turquoise skies, spotted by distant telescopes, and even helps us understand Earth's polar vortices, where icy winds carve patterns in our own air. These storms are a puzzle box for climate scientists, challenging us to decode how a planet so cold and far can rage with such fury. Uranus's sky, a blend of icy elegance and wild chaos, invites us to marvel at the untamed beauty of the cosmos. Now imagine Uranus's magnetic field, a cosmic tangle like a ball of yarn tossed by a playful cat. Nothing like Earth's tidy, compass-guiding shield. It's tilted wildly, like a drunken painter's brushstroke, and sits off-center, as if the planet's heart couldn't decide where to anchor it. Born in the slushy depths where icy potions of water and ammonia spark like a hidden dynamo, this field is 50 times mightier than Earth's, but a mere whisper compared to Jupiter's roaring magnet. In 1986, Voyager 2 dipped into this magnetic maze, catching wild pulses and bursts of particles like cosmic fireflies, revealing a force as chaotic as the planet's sideways spin. This field wraps Uranus in a shimmering bubble, the magnetosphere, which writhes and warps with the planet's tilted roll. It dances with the solar wind, a relentless stream of charged particles from the sun, like a cosmic breeze. When the wind howls, it squashes this bubble, stretching it thin or pinching it into ghostly pockets, like a balloon caught in a storm. Voyager's sensors caught these invisible battles, spotting bursts of energy that flare like silent fireworks, scattering particles across the sky. These sparks ignite faint auroras, eerie glows like whispers of light dancing in ultraviolet, painting the poles with ghostly veils. Hubble in 2017 caught these auroras flickering, their arcs swaying like a cosmic campfire tied to the field's quirky tilt. Uranus's rings and moons sprinkle icy dust and faint sparks into this magnetic realm, like a soft hum in a quiet orchestra, far gentler than Jupiter's roaring symphony driven by volcanic moons. Recent dives into Voyager's old data suggest this chaotic field doesn't just sit there, it stirs the sky's upper layers, warming them like a faint hearth, or weaving misty hazes that shimmer in the cold. Some scientists think its wild twists might even ripple into the planet's core, hinting at a jumbled heart where icy layers refuse to blend, a relic of the ancient crash that flipped Uranus sideways. Imagine sailing through this magnetic sea, feeling its invisible waves tug at your ship, auroras glowing like distant lanterns against the cyan sky. This tangled field holds secrets beyond Uranus. It mirrors the shields of alien worlds, spotted by telescopes, where magnetic chaos guards against stellar storms. Closer to home, it's a window into Earth's own magnetic flips, rare shifts that could rattle our satellites and power grids. Studying Uranus's wonky magnetism is like deciphering a cosmic code, one that protects planets, shapes atmospheres, and whispers of the forces that sculpt the stars. It's a wild, invisible dance daring us to chase its mysteries. Uranus's 27 moons are a quirky clan of frozen storytellers, each named like a character from a cosmic play, spinning tales in ice and shadow. Unlike the gods and titans naming most solar system moons, these carry poetic flair: Titania, Oberon, Puck, and more, plucked from Shakespeare's dreams and Alexander Pope's verses. They're frosty jewels, orbiting in a tilted dance around Uranus, battered by cosmic rays and chilled to a bone-rattling -200 degrees Celsius. Their surfaces, a patchwork of water ice, carbon dioxide, and rocky grit, gleam faintly under the distant sun, each moon a canvas of ancient scars and whispered secrets. The five big ones, Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon, shine brightest, frozen worlds that hint at epic dramas and hidden seas. Miranda, the tiniest, is a rebel with a surface like a cosmic jigsaw puzzle, scarred with cliffs like Verona, roots that plunge deeper than Earth's greatest canyons, and chaotic patches like Inverness Corona, as if a giant hand crumpled and reshaped it. Voyager's 1986 snapshots caught this wild terrain, sparking wonder at its violent past. Scientists think fierce tugs from sister moons once squeezed Miranda's core, igniting icy geysers or quakes that reshaped its face. Beneath its frosty crust, there might lurk a hidden sea, a salty slush kept liquid by ammonia's magic, whispering of secrets locked in the deep. Ariel, the brightest, is a dazzling snow globe, its icy face gleaming like a polished mirror. Its surface is etched with rivers of frozen lava and cracks wider than highways, signs of a restless youth when gravitational waltzes with other moons stretched its heart. Smooth plains, like an artist's canvas, hint at ancient icy floods that smoothed its scars, making Ariel a sparkling gem in Uranus's crown. It's a world that seems to glow with stories of a livelier past, its icy sheen hiding whispers of what lies beneath. Umbriel, the brooding loner, wears a dark, pockmarked face, lit only by Wunda Crater's ghostly glow, a bright ring like a frozen spotlight on a scarred stage. Its silent ancient surface is a diary of cosmic collisions, untouched by time's eraser, with craters deep enough to swallow cities. Umbriel stands apart, a quiet sentinel bearing the marks of 1 billion years. Its somber hue a stark contrast to Ariel's brilliance, as if it guards the system's oldest secrets. Titania, the majestic queen, rules with vast icy plains and faults, like Messina Chasma, stretching like rivers across a frozen kingdom. Her valleys and craters, like the massive Gertrude, read like chapters of ancient battles carved by quakes or icy flows. Voyager's glimpse revealed faint plains, hinting at long-ago floods, and recent studies suggest a deep ocean, a vast, dark sea warmed by Uranus's gentle pull. bubbling with chemical sparks that could mimic Earth's deep-sea cradles of life. Titania's regal presence commands awe, a world of beauty and mystery. Oberon, the rugged warrior, wears a cratered skin scarred by eons, with a shadowy crater like Hamlet hiding dark secrets. A lone mountain, towering higher than Everest, stands. As a monument to forgotten quakes, its slopes a testament to a turbulent past. Like Titania, Oberon might cradle a faint, icy sea, colder and quieter, locked beneath a thick crust. Its weathered face tells of a time when the solar system was a wilder place, each scar a story of cosmic chaos. These moons were born in a cosmic whirlpool of ice and dust swirling around baby Uranus, forged in a frosty nursery far from the sun's warmth. Their orbits form a delicate ballet, some locked in rhythmic steps, tugging and shaping each other's paths, like dancers in an eternal waltz. Voyager's 1986 visit brought them to life, its cameras capturing Miranda's wild scars, Ariel's gleaming plains, and Titania's regal faults sparking dreams of alien seas. Recent studies of that data fuel hopes of oceans, where chemical dances, methane bubbles or mineral reactions might echo Earth's deep-sea vents, though their icy prisons and harsh rays make life a daring dream. Imagine standing on Miranda's towering cliffs, gazing at Uranus's cyan glow, feeling the ice creak beneath your feet as the planet looms above. These moons aren't just rocks, they're keys to the cosmos, mirroring exomoons around distant stars like faint shadows in Kepler's gaze. They refine our hunt for life in icy worlds like Europa or Enceladus, teaching us how moons form, evolve, and cling to their planets. Uranus's moons, each a frozen poem, sing of cosmic collisions, gravitational grace, and the faint, tantalizing hope of life in the dark. Humanity's dance with Uranus began in 1781, when William Herschel, peering through a backyard telescope, glimpsed a pale blue speck, forever stretching our map of the cosmos. For centuries, astronomers tracked its rings and moons with ever sharper eyes, but it wasn't until 1986 that we got close. NASA's Voyager 2, a lone explorer, swooped within 81,500 kilometers, snapping photos of a serene cyan world, its faint rings, and a quirky family of moons. It was a fleeting visit, just hours, but its images of Miranda's wild cliffs, Ariel's icy plains, and Titania's scars captivated the world, splashed across front pages like cosmic art. Voyager revealed a planet far from dull. Faint storms churned in its clouds, a wonky magnetic field pulsed and auroras flickered in eerie silence. Its data, still pored over today, hinted at oceans beneath moon crusts and a climate tied to decades-long seasons. Since then, telescopes like Hubble and Keck have kept watch, catching storms as big as Earth in 2018 and a polar cyclone in 2023, spotted by radio waves. The James Webb Space Telescope in 2023 painted the sharpest portrait yet of Uranus's rings, revealing chunky ice and rock held in place by tiny moons like cosmic shepherds. Yet Voyager's quick peek left us hungry for more. Uranus, barely touched, is a priority for new missions. Scientists dream of a Uranus orbiter and probe, set for the 2030s, to dive into its atmosphere, map its magnetic quirks, and scan moons for hidden seas. NASA, ESA, and JAXA are sketching plans, building on Voyager's grit and Juno's tech, to face Uranus's radiation and vast distance. These missions could rewrite the ice giant's story, just as Cassini unveiled Saturn's wonders. Uranus's tale has rippled beyond science. Voyager's images inspired sci-fi dreams, from 2001 sequels to classroom posters, while its tech, think imaging algorithms, sharpened medical scans and self-driving cars. Public awe, fueled by Hubble's vivid shots and Webb's ring portraits, has citizen scientists tracking Uranian storms online. From Herschel's humble lens to Voyager's 3,700 builders, this journey reflects our restless curiosity, urging us to chase the unknown and embrace Uranus's icy call. Uranus, the sideways spinning ice giant, is a world of howling storms, chaotic magnetism, and moons that might cradle secret oceans. Its cyan shimmer and faint rings, glowing against the cosmic dark, remind us how fragile yet vast our universe is, daring us to explore its edges. As we plan new voyages, Uranus whispers, could its frozen moons hide life, rewriting our cosmic story? Uranus teaches us to thrive in chaos, like a planet tipped over yet enduring. It invites us to adapt, to find beauty in our quirks. How can we, like Uranus, embrace our own wild tilts to shine? Let its mystery inspire you to dream big and savor life's fleeting marvels. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media linked below. Knowledge is a treasure that never runs dry.